What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly if you don't know me, and for today's video I don't really know how to explain this. Hopefully by the time that I finish editing this video I'll have the title together. But for today I am going to be applying all of my products on at once, and when I say all of my products I mean my base products, my face products. So I'm going to be applying my foundation, my concealer, my liquid blush, and my bronzer, and I'm going to be basically blending them all out at one time. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, if you're on TikTok and maybe even if you're on Instagram, I've been seeing these videos of these ladies basically applying all their products at once and then blending them out. Like, first of all, I need to try it because I don't feel like this really works. I don't think it's going to work for me. I want to see how this blends out on my face. For some reason, I just feel like it's going to be muddy. But I want to try it. Like, just the fact that everybody puts the foundation, concealer, contour stick, or bronzer stick, whatever you want to call it, blush on all at the same time, and then they just start blending. What? Like, so yeah, we're going to be trying that today. So if you want to see how my final look comes out, then stay tuned. So real quick, I'm just applying some lip gloss in like a clear shade. This is the ColourPop lip oil. It's called Dewdrop. Okay, so now that my lips aren't dry, let's get started. So I did my eyebrows and my eyeliner off camera. Actually, I was gonna do lashes, but I'm not even sure if I want to go lashes today. I think I'm not gonna do lashes. Let me get some mascara. So I'm just looking at my mirror here. My intentions was to put on some lashes today, but now I don't feel like it, so mascara is. This is just the Nars Climax mascara. It's a pretty good mascara. Okay, so I'm done with mascara, can you tell? So the first thing I want to do is prime my face. So I'm going to go in with the One Size Secure the Blur Primer. Actually, shake it up a little bit just because I don't think I've used this in a while. Earlier, I applied some moisturizer, like some lotion. Not lotion, but my Pond's facial moisturizer. Just so my skin doesn't get dry. In my last video, my skin looked really dry, and I'm gonna be honest, I didn't do my skincare. Like, I feel like the look would have turned out so much better if I would have did my skincare. Skincare is so important, y'all. If you're gonna do your makeup and you don't want your makeup to look crusty, you got to wash your face. You got to exfoliate your skin every once in a while, not all the time, because that can definitely damage your skin cells, but definitely exfoliate. If you can just do it once a week, I feel like that's a good amount. And then tone and moisturize. I don't know if I said that in the correct order, but yeah. Alright, so my skin is primed. Next, I think it's time to apply my products, but first, I want to watch this TikTok again, and I want to try to display the TikTok on the video because I want you guys to see what I'm seeing. So hopefully I can do that. But let me go back to my TikTok. I'm not gonna exactly follow what she's doing just because I just feel like I gotta put my own little spin on it. But okay, so obviously TikToks are really fast, and so that's why I'm like, I really need to know if this works or not because the video is like 10 seconds. So really you don't get a lot of information, and that's my issue with TikToks. Like, obviously they expanded it so the videos are a lot longer now, but I'm just a YouTube girl. I've always loved YouTube. I like watching people's videos. I like seeing a little bit of personality, and also I feel like people can really talk you through the steps, like step by step in detail when it comes to YouTube. So yeah, I watched her video, and she says that this is how she avoids cakey makeup, which nobody wants cake face. So yeah, I definitely want to try it. Another thing that she said that she did after she applied all her makeup, she used some setting spray. So I'll be doing the same thing. She says she uses setting spray so that all of the makeup doesn't dry out. So since we primed already, first thing first, I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation. It looks like this, and I'm in the shade 365. Let's scratch that. I just noticed that she did apply her concealer first, so I'm gonna do that too, because I feel like I'm already about to mess this up. So I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer. It's the Magic Touch concealer. It looks like this, and I'm going to be using the shade 10 today. So I'm not going to apply like a lot of makeup, I don't think, but I mean, it's the first time. So I'm just going to do what I want to do to conceal. Okay. And then a little bit right here. She also takes her concealer here, here, and probably, I think, around her nose a little bit. I'm not going to do that because those aren't my normal areas where I conceal. I think, if anything, I use like more foundation than concealer, which, again, I want to keep this, like, I'm basically testing this technique to the point to where I want to see if it works with my routine and how I do my makeup. Because, yeah, I don't do my makeup like everybody. For my bronzing stick, I'm going to go in with this Persona stick, and it's in the shade Sahara. This is one of my favorite, like, ways to contour my face. So, right here. We'll always add a little right here. I low-key be trying to chisel my chin, but yeah. I got a chubby girl face, so it doesn't really work. Okay. Feel like we're looking crazy so far. So now I'm going to apply some blush. Not a lot. This look is like very potent, I feel like. Yeah, I feel like I already put too much blush on. I hope that doesn't ruin everything. Okay. And so I think I forgot to mention what blush I'm using. This is the Rare Beauty blush. Rare Beauty liquid blush, and this is in the shade Hope, if you're wanting to know. Okay, finally, let's apply some foundation here. So I have quite a bit of like facial space left, so what I'm gonna do is apply my foundation with this brush. I wish I had an even bigger one, like the paintbrush looking thing, but I don't. I actually just bought this one, so I'm just going to take it on my hand, and I'm gonna paint my face. Okay, and so before I start blending this out, the TikTok does show that she sprayed her face, like I said earlier in the video. I think she was using like the MAC Fix Plus to spray her face. I don't have that setting spray anymore, so I'm gonna go in with the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. It looks like this. I've used it on my channel before and I really like it. So now it's time to blend everything out, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm terrified just because I feel like there's a lot going on and I feel like I really need to take my time when doing this. Y'all, I'm scared. But I'm just gonna go ahead and start because what are you gonna do at this point? I've already started. So blending out my foundation so far. I mean, it's fine, but when I start getting towards the bronzer, girl. I feel like I have a good amount of my foundation blended out. I don't know about this. I'm just gonna go ahead and try to blend out my bronzer. I might put too much. Like, I think the key is to not put everything too close together. And I think that's where I might have messed up at. I mean, it don't look bad, but it's definitely interesting. With some practice, it might be a move. It might be like, oh, this is actually not looking too bad type of thing. So now I'm just going for the concealer slash blush, and I'm just buffing this out before I might get my beauty blender actually, but I want to buff out a little bit first. I don't know about y'all, but I actually like the mixed concealer and blush. I don't know, it's like weird. Which I also saw that on TikTok as well. And that's something that I actually have learned to like. I'm going in with this e.l.f. sponge just because I know it gets into the crevices. I don't know, this is so strange because, like, why do I like it? I mean, not that I wasn't supposed to like it, it's just sometimes I think the trends on TikTok are so effing weird that it's like, why are they doing that? And one more thing, I'm going to take this big beauty blender and blend everything out. Okay, you guys, before I set my face, what do we think? I feel like it's definitely giving clean girl aesthetic, even though I really don't know what that means because I feel like this new TikTok thing of clean girl aesthetic is just like slick bun, subtle makeup, but like that's been my whole entire life. So now that it's called clean girl aesthetic, I'm kind of like, what? But that's besides the point. I'm going to be right back. I'm going to set my face and then we're going to talk. Okay, you guys, so I am back and here is the final look. Excuse my lighting. The sun is going down, but yeah. Let me just talk about the final product that I decided to finish up my look. So for blush, powder blush powdered blush, that is. I went in with this Peaches Sheer Tone Blush by MAC Cosmetics. It looks like this and it turned out really cute. I also went in with this e.l.f. Primer Infused Bronzer. I used this on my channel before. To set like the majority of my face, I went in with the One Size powder. This is the translucent powder. And then yeah, I did my lips. Lastly, I lined with a ColourPop lippy. Let's see what shade this is. This is the shade BFF3. And then don't sleep on e.l.f. Cosmetics. I went in with this lipstick and it is in the shade Nectar. Okay, so now that I finished talking about the products for the rest of my face. Oh, in the last product, I sprayed the mattifying One Size spray just to complete the setting spray portion. But yeah, jumping into my final thoughts of this TikTok hack. I'm not gonna lie, I like it. Regardless of this side of my face, I feel like it's a little bit muddy. Like I said, this was my first time trying this TikTok makeup hack. I've never done this before. So I always say this on my channel, practice definitely makes perfect. You're not always going to get something right on the first try. However, I still really like it. Like, this is kind of something that I would do if I'm rushing to do my makeup. Y'all, this saved me so much time. I've never done my face makeup this fast before. I promise you, this is a time saver and a game changer. How often will I do this makeup hack? I don't know. Like, I'm thinking about doing it on my channel more often, but then again, I'm not sure, just because I know some people like the detail. I mean, people come to YouTube for like more detailed makeup looks. So every once in a while I might pull it out though. I might even do it in my next video. You never know. Just stay tuned, okay? But yeah, you guys, if you enjoyed this video, then please give me a thumbs up. If you're not already, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.